Dude, anytime I scream, every time it gets clipped, and the title, the name of the clip is freaking lethal backshot. Lethal backshots. Like, dude, guys, I posted on Twitter. I did a voiceover of my starting soon screen. I was like, and like everyone, like it's me jumping, and everyone was like, oh my god, it sounds like he's getting backshots. First of all, no. That's not what it would sound like if I was getting backshots. Do you wanna know what it would sound like if I was getting backshots? This is effectively what it would sound like. Just like an empty metal dome. An empty metal dome. Freaking boom! Like, dude, you know what I mean? Dude, I don't have a butt. It's like metal back there. Like, guys, I don't have a butt. It is effectively like metal. It's, guys, it would be like, dude, if you were like slamming my butt, this is what it would sound like. You'd think someone was at the door. You'd be like, hello, who's there? Clank, 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 clank. Dude, it's bad.
Gato, buenos días, gato. Gato en la casa. Buenas noches, gato.